Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel BrainBridge. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program for Economy GS Paper 3. And this is the third question of this series. The question is, how does e-technology help farmers in production and marketing of agricultural produce? Explain it. This question was asked in 2023, means last year. So in this question, first we will describe the answer format, and as always there would be three part. First is introduction, second is main body, and the last one is called conclusion. So again, read the question. How does e-technology will help farmer in production and marketing? It means e-technology is the theme. So we will define e-technology in introduction section. Then in main body part, we will provide some points how e-technology helps farmers in production and how e-technology will help farmers in marketing. यही तो मेन क्वेश्चन है. And then in conclusion we will sum up it. So first, introduction. What is e-technology? It has significantly transformed the agriculture sector by enhancing production and marketing of agriculture produce. And you can also write about e-technology like in this method. In this technology we uses internet facilities, स्मार्टफोन्स, कंप्यूटर, सो दैट जो प्रोडक्शन और मार्केटिंग का मेन काम है वो यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा हेल्प उसमें मिल जाए. एंड हाउ ई टेक्नोलॉजी विल बेनिफिट फार्मर्स इन प्रोडक्शन. तो सबसे पहले प्रोडक्शन में आ जाइए. प्रिसीजन एंड एग्रीकल्चर. प्रिसीजन एग्रीकल्चर, प्रिसाइज तरीके से एग्रीकल्चर की जा सकती है बाय यूजिंग जीपीएस एंड ड्रोन्स. Farmers uses GPS technology and drones to monitor crop health. खेत पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, घर से ही ड्रोन के माध्यम से चीजें पता चल जाएंगी. Soil condition also, water levels, allowing for precise application of fertilizer, pesticides and water, leading to higher yield and reduced cost. Second is sensors and Internet of Things. Internet of Things devices and sensors placed in field provide real time data. अगर IoT devices और sensors को खेत में ही लगा दिया जाए तो real time data पता चल जाएगा about soil moisture, कितना soil moisture है, कितना additional water देना है, nutrient कितनी कमी है, crop growth क्या हो चुकी है, enabling farmers to make informed decisions and optimize resource uses. So this is the first use of e-technology. Second, data analytics. Yield prediction. Advanced data analytics and machine learning algorithm can help in prediction of or about crop yields based on historical data and current conditions, assisting farmers in planning and decision making. Second one, disease and pest management. Analytics can also identify pattern and predict outbreak of pests and diseases, allowing for timely and targeted interventions. Third one is mobile apps and software, farm management software. These tools will help farmers to manage their operations, track expenses, plan planting schedules, and keep records, improving overall farm efficiency. Second is weather forecasting apps. There are many weather forecasting apps. So accurate weather forecast can help farmers to plan their activities like planting, irrigation, harvesting, कब करना है कब नहीं करना है, reducing risk associated with adverse weather conditions. So इस तरीके से प्रोडक्शन में इनको हेल्प मिल सकती है. Now come to marketing part. Online marketplace, just like e-commerce platform Amazon, Flipkart type, farmers can sell their produce directly to consumer or businesses through online marketplaces by passing intermediaries and receiving better prices for their goods. Second one is business to business, B2B platform. Platforms like AgriBazaar and eNam connect farmers with buyers, providing wider market access and competitive pricing. सेकेंड इज डिजिटल पेमेंट सिस्टम. पेमेंट लेना है यहां से तो देखो मार्केट से पता, हाँ, दूसरे तक पहुंचा दिया सामान. अब दूसरे से पेमेंट लेना है, देन मोबाइल पेमेंट सिस्टम यूपीआई अवेलेबल है. डिजिटल पेमेंट सिस्टम एनेबल सिक्योर एंड क्विक ट्रांजेक्शन, reducing the dependency on cash and minimizing the risk of fraud. Second, blockchain technology. Blockchain will ensure transparency and traceability in the supply chain, which will build trust between farmers and buyers. Thus, e-technology will help farmers in production and marketing both. मार्केटिंग में और क्या है? मार्केट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, प्राइस एंड डिमांड इंफॉर्मेशन, कहां पर किस कमोडिटी की डिमांड ज्यादा है, वहां पर अगर फार्मर सेल करेगा तो उसको ज्यादा फायदा हो सकता है. सो मोबाइल एप्स एंड वेबसाइट provide real-time information on market price and demand trends. It will help farmers to make informed decisions about when and where to sell their produce. Then advisory services. Digital platforms offer expert advice on marketing strategies, quality standard, certification process, improving farmers' marketability. Fourth one, social media and networking. प्रमोशन, ब्रांडिंग, जैसे बाकी के बड़े बड़े ब्रांड प्रमोट करते हैं, अपने ब्रांडिंग करते हैं, वैसे ही फार्मर्स भी कर सकते हैं. सो फार्मर्स कैन यूज सोशल मीडिया टू प्रमोट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, क्रिएट ब्रांड अवेयरनेस एंड एंगेज डायरेक्टली विद कंज्यूमर्स. सेकेंड इज नेटवर्किंग. ऑनलाइन फोरम and social network allow farmers to connect with other farmers, buyers, industry experts, facilitating knowledge exchange and business opportunities. So these are the method, or these are the way in which e-technology can aid or help farmers for marketing. Now come to the conclusion part. E-technology will empower farmers by providing tools and information that will enhance productivity and open up new marketing avenues. These advancements lead to increased efficiency, higher profits, and sustainable agricultural practices. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comments, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel BrainBridge UPSC for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.